freeway across traffic.
Hands up!
Southwest Sheriff Station, along with the Special Enforcement Bureau, located Bejar driving in the city of Temecula. A vehicle stop was initiated, but the suspect failed to yield. The suspect fled at a high rate of speed, and a pursuit was initiated. The pursuit traveled through Temecula and Menifee and onto Interstate 215, traveling both north and south, and at times into oncoming traffic. As Bejar was driving his vehicle northbound on Interstate 215, he began to slow down and ultimately came to a stop on the interstate near the center median, just south of Ethonac Road. Bejar exited his vehicle and jumped over the center median and ran into southbound lanes of Interstate 215 armed with a handgun. At that time, a deputy-involved shooting occurred.
Across the freeway across traffic.
Keep your hands like a shield!
Hands up! Hands on your head!
Freeway across traffic.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands on your head!
Here is a replay of the suspect's actions at half speed.